Hey, that was an absolute bonkers day today. I came out on top, but barely. My head was just not in the game. I've got a touch of the flu, so I'm going to chalk it up to that. I'm all dosed up on some meds right now. It's fantastic. But yeah, no, bad trade, and then a couple good ones to recover. Uh, Check it out here, and if you don't mind, like and subscribe. Subscribe. Blah, blah, blah. I can't talk today. See, I'm telling you, I'm done. Cheers. I'm looking at NVDA 615 calls. Just got them ready.
Oh, yeah. Good to go.
There we go. And a little pullback. I'm in.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Watching that with you.
Oh, pulling back right away, of course.
Dirty dog.
There you go. NVIDIA's working for me. Oh.
Nice, nice, nice. And I should put the Google chart right next to the Amazon chart because they do the same thing at the same time. Well, they are right now, anyways.
Oh man, I didn't get out in time.
Which one? The
NVIDIA. Yeah.
Switching sides.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Again.
I'm gonna do exactly what we talked about earlier and buy some going the other way as well. Sell that.
Order partially filled. Order partially filled.
Oh my god, the slowest fill
Order
ever.
partially filled.
What the fuck?
Order filled.
Ugh.
That sounded gnarly.
That was bad.
Oh, come on, really?
Yeah. I was trying to get out of the upside position. And it sold off so slow as it was spiking down.
Dirty, really?
Yeah, I got a realized negative 4,500.
Oh, no.
Ugh, that's alright. It's not alright, but it's alright. It's
It's not all right, but, you know.
It's been a good month so far. I can't complain. I'm still up.
December was good, too.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, even if I stop here, this might be my first red day in a while. I'm going to try to recover from it, though.
Just don't chase too hard. You end up like me.
Yeah. I'm still in 610 puts on it, so we'll see how that goes.
This is very, it's very confusing. 610 puts, you said?
Yeah.
On NVIDIA? Well, I don't know. I got this weird feeling that we're going to see a bit of red today. Unless things decide to randomly, aggressively go the other way. But
Yeah. Oh, AMD hit that 178.30 I marked off. Bounced off it, rejected there.
oh, look at that. Yeah.
That's from kind of earlier in the week. Some points.
Yeah. Nice, nice. Yeah, you said you're in puts, right, on NVIDIA?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm right around break even now.
Okay.
There we go.
283.
Okay, here we go.
Big downward pressure here. It's rejecting VWAP. It's broken out of this
Yes,
flag.
here we
This
go.
nice fair flag.
Order partially filled.
No. It's pulling back up hard. Go down,
You're
go
like,
down.
not partially.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
All right. NVIDIA is bouncing off the opening range, low end.
Mm-hmm.
If it breaks through
I
it,
should have had that.
I'll make a decent amount.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Just one more push to break away from that. There you go. I know I probably now it'll dump more, but I made $30, 26
Order
bucks.
partially filled.
Nice.
Order filled.
All right, I recovered my negative 45.
Oh, you absolute master.
I got 2 contracts left on this.
Order filled.
Just those last couple.
Goodness.
All out of NVIDIA.
Hey?
All out of NVIDIA. We got a wicked $132 profit so far today. Maybe some Q puts. It's bouncing out of that wedge now. Broke out, pulled back up,
Yeah.
and now it's rejecting again. Might ride down to that 422. That's what I'm.
That's 422, 422.30 range.
Yeah.
I was looking at
Order
they're a little
partially filled.
it's the IV's at
Order
15.9,
filled.
not bad. But what'd you pick up?
Some 424 puts. Yeah, they're not moving too nicely for me, but it's a low IV compared to
It's kind of
most things. There we go. Beautiful.
Order partially filled.
Take a little bit
Order
off
filled.
that.
Well,
I'm playing
a
it.
little scalpy scalp.
Yeah, I'm playing it easy. Like today, I'm not gonna wait too long.
Order filled.
All right, I got 10 left. See what happens.
Right at that level, you still got some runners. I just had 2.
There we go.
That's what you want to see. Got
Yeah.
it.
Order filled.
Turning this day around a bit.
And gonna be printing for you. Jesus.
Yeah, I'm at.
My 423s would have. Hey,
They're up 30% right now.
that's money. Hoping that the day is just going to be down overall.
Order filled.
Yeah,
But yeah,
I just got out of them. I'm done.
good job. Good job.
Oh, AMD is trying.
AMD is trying.
I'm gonna get them.
Holy.
I'm gonna get these.
180 calls, 182.50s are now 34 cents. It's got a long way to go to get there, but
Order partially filled.
I'm in.
for one contract would be $34.
Ooh, pop for me.
You got that pot?
Yeah. Oh, there goes Spy trying to break the 488.
I'm into 182.50 call. I guess I could have bought 180 call, but a little less risky on the 182.50. But it's look at that. It's got to get above
Order partially filled.
this 179,
Order
which it
filled.
just did.
Yeah.
You just sold and made big money, didn't you?
I sold.
Couple of them.
Yeah, like 70%. I made $200. But
Nice.
still got some contracts left.
Order partially filled.
Get out a little bit
Order
more.
filled.
I'd love to get one day that I'm like, all right, I got these kind
Order
of
filled.
pretty far out of the money, 182.50s. I'd love to see it just cruise, put the contract in the money,
Yeah.
you know,